OPPO Find X, and let me show you how to use top tricks on the following device. So let's start with the first one. Let me show you the smart protection. So let's choose here settings. From the following list, let's find and select security. Now choose protect personal information, and here you can enable the smart protection by using that switcher. Tap turn on, and right now when an app tries to read the personal information, the system will protect you from the leakage, so everything should be protected as much as it needs. So now let's go for the second trick. Now let me show you the private space. Let's also open the security list, and here let's choose private safe right here. You need to set the passcode, so let me tap set the passcode. Let's choose some passcode that you would like to use. In my case, let me use the following one. Alright, here you need to use the security question, tap done. You can also create the shortcut, let me do it. Tap add, tap done. And here you can, for example, have the private space and keep here photos, audio, documents and other stuff. Let me go back. Now if you would like to enter the private safe one more time, let's use this icon. Of course you need to enter your privacy code, and that's it. So let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the 3 fingers split screen. Let's here choose settings, scroll down, tap app split screen, and let's make sure that you've got this feature enabled. Now if you swipe up with 3 fingers, you will split the screen. In order to go back to the previous version, let's swipe up again, and that's it. Let me show you again. Let's swipe up with 3 fingers, and this is the easiest way to split your screen. Alright, now let me show you the 3 finger screenshot. So let's here from the settings choose smart and convenient, choose gesture and motions, and let's make sure that you've got 3 finger screenshot enabled. And now if you swipe down with 3 fingers, you will take a screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's swipe down, and that's it. Here you can also use the long screenshot if you would like to. Here from the gesture and motions you can also raise to turn on the screen. It's also really useful. Let's go back, and now let me show you here from smart and convenient navigation keys. So here you can use the virtual key navigation, you can change the layout, and you can also use swipe up gestures. So here you've got tutorial how to do it. Here you've got your gestures, you can choose the one that are just for you. In my case, let me go back and use the virtual key navigation. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.